For thousands of years, the Great Pyramids have stood as one of the world's most astounding mysteries. How did the ancient Egyptians, with no modern technology, create these colossal structures? We thought we knew everything, until now. Today, we're using AI to reimagine how the pyramids were built. By feeding this digital mind with ancient texts, historical data, and satellite imagery, we're uncovering secrets that the sands of time had hidden. Step 1. Where did these massive stones come from? AI's analysis suggests that the limestone blocks used in the pyramids were quarried nearby at Giza, while the more precious granite stones came from Aswan, over 500 miles away. But here's the twist. AI simulations reveal that ancient Egyptians likely used water to soften the stone and wooden wedges to create cracks, making the cutting process far easier than previously thought. Transporting these blocks from Aswan to Giza would have been an unimaginable task if it weren't for the Nile. The AI reimagines the Egyptians, creating a network of canals, allowing blocks to float closer to the pyramid site during the annual Nile flood. Each flood season, blocks would be floated directly to the building site, where thousands of skilled workers awaited. But how did they lift the stones to such great heights? Many theories exist, but AI suggests the Egyptians used a combination of straight ramps, spiral ramps around the structure, and possibly even cranes and levers. This hybrid ramp system would have allowed workers to reach the higher levels, while AI calculations show that a 4 to 5% slope would have been manageable, even with such massive stones. And here's a clever trick uncovered by AI. They likely poured water on the sand in front of the sledges to reduce friction, making it easier to drag these colossal stones up the ramps. Far from the image of slave labor, AI analysis of ancient records suggests a well-organized, skilled workforce. These were specialists, stonemasons, engineers, bakers, and brewers who lived in nearby villages, were well-fed and worked on shifts. AI even helped reconstruct their diets. Bread, vegetables, and beer were staples, giving them the energy to work under the blazing Egyptian sun. But what did the pyramids look like when they were first completed? AI imagines them in their full glory, covered in polished white limestone that reflected the sunlight and capped with a golden tip, visible for miles. Imagine the sight of these massive shining pyramids rising from the desert, symbolizing the power of the pharaohs and the brilliance of ancient Egyptian engineering. Thanks to AI, we're closer than ever to understanding how these ancient marvels were built. This fusion of ancient ingenuity and modern technology is revealing secrets that may have been hidden for thousands of years. The pyramids may still hold secrets, but with the help of AI, we're bringing history back to life, one discovery at a time.